Hi, and welcome back to my 5th mold in the 100 mold project. This particular shape is another play on vertical lines. This time I wanted to explore a ridge pattern on my 4th axis on the mill to see if it was possible to have the tool that would perfectly fit a width of a ridge to remove material. What I found, if you see here, is that even though on this particular shape it would clear the deepest part of the ridge, because both the edges needed a filleted break around the pattern and the fact that the ridge was gradual, it was unable to clear the material completely. So if you look here, I did have to do multiple passes on each ridge to clear all the material. The thing that made this shape a little bit easier is I was able to finish the outer edge on the lathe and then just do the ridges on the mill, which led to a much better surface finish on the outer ridges. So I did start with a wax blank to test my theory that I would be able to finish it on the lathe. So you can see here it cutting the lathe portion of the wax blank. And here it is making the finishing path. I did turn off the coolant because with the wax it really isn't needed, so that you could have a better sight of what the cutting looks like. Here it is moved to the 4th axis on the mill, and I'm starting to do the ridge passes here. I did do vertical passes. I don't know that I'll ever do horizontal passes on objects because of the unwinding factor that can be seen in the second shape flint. And we're going to go ahead and zoom forward to the finished mother mold on the mill. So here I am pulling it off so you can kind of see the finish that I ended up with. My apologies here, it is white and kind of does blow out, so it is hard to really see, but it ended up working really well. I was able to do the outer finish on the lathe and just cut the ridges on the mill.